Hey, good to see you. I'm needing some little boxes as dividers for these little drawers, and I just need some sort of divider, and I can't really find anything that's going to fit it, but I have a lot of these, and I don't want to use up more space. So I figured out how to make little boxes that will hold buttons, any kind of little decor for, or sentiment for cards, crafts, various kinds of things. So I'm going to show you how to do it. If you look up origami box or how to make a paper box, you can find out how to do it. It's pretty easy. What I'm going to do is, what's working for me are these 6-inch by 6-inch sheets. I'm going to use up my Christmas ones because I don't really care what design they are. And they're going to end up making a 2 by 2 box. And they're really cute, and I'm really liking it. So I don't have to cut any paper, and so I'm using the bone folder to crispen the edges so the box stays together, and a little bit of glue. Once I'm done, you'll see where I use it just to hold the flaps in. So let's get started. So I'm real happy with this little organization, and it just keeps things apart but together so that I can pick and choose what I need, and I can make as many as I want. So it seems that if a 6 by 6 paper makes a third of that, a 2 by 2, then I should be able to make other size boxes as long as they are square sheets of paper. So I hope this helps you get organized a little bit. I'm real happy. I shopped and shopped, and I didn't want to buy just a new thing that I had to store because there's lots of storage containers. I really wanted to use what I have and just create dividers for it, and this is perfect. So hope it helps you, and if you make any, let me know, and I'd love to see what you did.